Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is for the nervous system. So if you're anxious or stressed out, or you feel like your nerves are frayed, or you actually have a physical ailment with your nervous system, then this is for you. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine and that this is not a replacement for Western medicine. This energy healing is a co-creation of conscious intention and spirit guidance. All you need to do to receive the healing energy is to nod or say yes. And I trust that your own guidance has brought you here in divine timing. So thank you for being here. You can open your eyes, you can close your eyes, it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and feel yourself in your seat, or if you're laying down, go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just start to tune in and bring your awareness to the nervous system in your body. As a central line, the spinal cord, and all these feathering branches through your body up into the brain. Network central. Just open yourself to receive this healing. Just take a deep breath in for me. Maybe bring your attention to the occipital ridge, the atlas, the top vertebra, where the spinal cord branches into the brain. Just bringing your awareness to the extremities, the fingertips and the tips of your toes. Just working vertebrae by vertebrae by vertebrae from the very top all the way down. Just releasing any compression or compaction. We're bringing, as we get down to the lower lumbar, just above the sacrum, we're bringing in the energy of fluidity. There's a membrane that surrounds your spinal cord, and within that membrane is the cerebral spinal fluid that pulses up and down the spine. So we're just envisioning a beautiful golden pulsing energy travels in a spiral up and down the spine. That channel is open, and that your brain is receiving the information and signals from the whole body. And all the little branches, all the little feathering branches that go into your organs and tissues and cells, all the way out to the extremities, are receiving this nourishment of this fluidity. Now I'm being shown the neural network, the branching and network in the brain, right hemisphere, discharging any excess energy. If you're overthinking, if there's too much current here, it's like the network is kind of burning hot, just releasing that. And now the left, bringing it on line. Not sure why, but that side feels dampened. We're tuning into the collective. This left brain, the logical, linear, rational thinking side. And just reconnecting all those thought patterns, all those thought forms, conscious or unconscious, linking them across the middle line into your heart, and bringing balance in the brain, right hemisphere, left hemisphere, in sync, talking to each other, operating in a way that is balanced. And so you're receiving the signals from your physical body, there's a big message here to trust the messages from your body. So we're clearing any distrust, mistrust, any thoughts where you've been switched off, or any violations or traumas where you maybe have disconnected or disassociated and not trusting the innate wisdom of the body. Just bringing that back online. Okay. For some of you, that may enhance discomfort. That will pass as you kind of come back online. Still really stuck and crunchy at the occipital ridge there. Crunchy is the word. It's like a rusty hinge. From, years of compaction and compression, or years of like thinking from here up, not kind of relating to the rest of the body. So we're very much taught to be in the thinking mind, like the mind is supreme. And yes, it's a very powerful tool, but it's just one aspect of self that we can experience the world. And if it is the master, then we're missing out on all these other aspects of self. To read and absorb and receive information. And so if you're making decisions based on just your thoughts, this will assist you to drop into the body in a more deep way, so that you can begin to trust the physical body, because the body is wise. And when you're brought back into the body, when you are into your feeling body, you can begin to trust what your body's telling you. That relates to any decision, what you eat, what you drink, what you put in, any substances, who you relate to, just trusting your body's response. So a big part of this nervous system healing is being embodied, and not just stuck in the mental realm. Just go ahead and acknowledge the mind right now, the thoughts. Thank you, mind. Thank you for being sound. Thank you for being clear. Thank you for the clarity. Thank you for all the processes that you deal with day to day, known or unknown. And we're looking at all the big branches that are coming out of the spinal cord, and just allowing that fluidity to flow all the way down the arms to the organs. Big branches on a tree, receiving this healing energy. Beautiful network. Thank you, nervous system. Thank you for allowing me to feel, to receive information, to interpret, to gauge. And if there's damage or injury or any kind of ailment in your nervous system, just acknowledging that what is, and this is what you're working with, and there's compassion there for yourself, that you may be dealing with an altered situation. Not everything's firing, not everything's zinging, not everything's working in perfect harmony. So just go ahead and have compassion for yourself if that's the case for you. Seeing the branches all the way down through the feet, and bringing the energy into the soles of your feet right now, opening those energy centers at the bottom of your feet to draw out, connect into the earth, bringing this beautiful current that's now pulsing through your whole body down through your feet and into the earth, so you're connecting to the earth. receiving current from the earth, giving and receiving current, so that your whole body is connected, your whole nervous system, tapping into the mycelium of the earth, that whole network, that vast network of mycelium underground, and bringing the energy up through the crown and into the beautiful network of all of the nebulas, the macrocosm and the microcosm, the tree of life, the branching through the crown and the branching through the feet, so that you are connected to the giant interweb of life as one with divine nature. And because of this connection now, because of this pulse wave and this healing energy allowing you to be connected, that you can give and receive information from the earth, and you can give and receive information from the stars above. And that there's a balance above and below. And just ask you to be really soft and gentle to yourself as you receive this healing energy, and allow it to integrate in the days to come. It may enhance and kind of amplify things that are not working for you, so just be aware of that too. And that should settle down. When you put the spotlight on it, it amplifies it for a period of time. And you can return to this as often as you need if you feel like you need more support for your nervous system. Go ahead and seal the healing energy with the gong. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you. If you feel that this has helped, please comment below. I'd love to have your feedback. If you'd like to support me as an artist, please follow the link below. All of my works are designed to bring through healing energy. And if you want to stay in touch, please like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you, beautiful ones. Thank you for being here. Thank you for doing the work. Thank you for healing. Thank you for receiving. Bless.